How to make a grappling hook in Terraria. So you cannot just climb bare walls or rely on platforms early in the game. You strictly need to craft this essential mobility tool to basically increase survivability. First is you must hunt down a hook, which is a rare drop exclusively obtained by killing skeletons or piranhas deep underground in the cavern layer. Second is you must smelt iron or lead bars at a furnace. Then craft 3 chains at an iron or lead anvil, and once you have the hook and the chains in your inventory, combine them directly at the anvil to forge the basic grappling hook. So as you can see, the basic grappling hook right here, it requires 3 chains and the hook right there. So try to craft it just like that, and once you have crafted it, put it here on your inventory, and if you want to use it, click on E on your keyboard just like that, and you now have the basic grappling hook. Alternatively, if you cannot find the rare enemy drop, you can completely bypass it by mining exactly 15 of any identical gem, such as amethyst, sapphires, or diamonds to craft a specialized gem hook at the anvil. You can also get other cool hooks like this Hook of Dissonance, which is dropped by Queen Slime. So there are other hooks that are also dropped by bosses, but this one is also nice since it teleports you to the location, just like that. So a tip is, let's say you're falling, just like that, and if you use your grappling hook, it will save you from the fall damage and making vertical exploration absolutely effortless. And that is how you basically make a grappling hook in Terraria.